We're getting to the point now, if Lillian wants to get to the next level and be a serious racer, she's got to start hitting doubles.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
It is bright and early, 9 a.m. We're here at a 441 Urgent Care, Florida's premier urgent care. We got to get a referral for Luke to get another x-ray on his foot. With a little bit of luck, hopefully he's able to ride now. I like trying stuff new. I'm trying the Subway breakfast sandwich. What I usually do at Subway is I get a foot long and then I take everything on one half and then put it on the other half. So you basically get the meat and toppings of a foot long, but just half the bread. How's yours, buddy?
Good.
So we just got the x-ray done on Luke's foot. It's gonna take a few hours. Lillian is doing a training at the Moto Sandbox today at 3. So fingers crossed, hopefully we get word that Luke's foot is good to go and then he can go and train with Lillian today. But I know this is hard to understand because you're so young, but you'll get what I'm saying when you're older. Lots of women have a foot fetish. So it's very important that you have good looking feet. So you don't want to have a deformed toe, because then you'll have to rely on your charm, charisma, making money in order to attract girls. So we don't want to risk that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'll keep that in mind until I'm a teenager.
It is 2:15 right now. Sorry we haven't had any updates to give you up until this point. We've just kind of been waiting, hoping to get a word from the doctor to confirm or say Luke's foot isn't ready to go yet. For whatever reason, they procrastinate and they haven't gotten to us to this point where it's like, okay, we don't have time to wait anymore. We have to go. I got Lillian's bike loaded up. I checked my phone one more time and then I got a text saying that Luke's foot appears to be healed and he's able to resume normal activity. So I take that as he's good to go and he's ready to start riding. So we're running late, we're running behind, but I'm gonna hurry and load up Luke's bike, and then Mason just told me he wants to go too now that Luke's going. So I'm loading up Luke's bike, Mason's bike, and we're gonna jet over to the track. We're probably gonna be a little late, so I'm not gonna film until we get there, but this is good news. Luke's excited, he's getting ready. You should ride his 150, Lil.
No, I don't like them. Just get an 85.
The rider on it is like taking
Be nice, Lil. He has a 150.
No, I don't hate the riders. I'm just not a fan of the bike.
All right, right there. All right, guys, so Bryce is going through this section. Bryce, are you gripping the bike? Are you gripping the bike? Do you squeeze the bike when you go through here? Yeah? About as wide as your foot pegs are apart, guys. When you point your toes out and you try to grip, you can't grip, okay? That's why it's so important.
I can still do it.
Okay, he can hardly do it, but check this out. Toes in, now do it. Look at how easy it is then. Okay, so he's literally fighting himself.
Really, Mason?
Good? What do you like? Caden, what do you like?
Outside, but if the traffic going really fast for that turn.
Yeah, it's decent, right? It's pretty rough. Alright, so he had a couple squiggles through there, but did you guys hear how he kept the RPM from? That was
We're done? No, I'm just gonna do that. They said we could free ride. Oh, I'm gonna be done.
Lillian says she's gonna double it, but then she doesn't. All right. Come on, Lil, let's see it. Follow him off. Go, 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 go. Oh, come on. Come on, Lil. Come on, Lil. Come on, Lil. Come on. No. Ah. Okay, guys, we're getting to the point now. If Lillian wants to get to the next level and be a serious racer, she's got to start hitting doubles. Yeah! Woo! Yes! A little bit of an OJ, but she didn't crash, so nice. Good job, Lil. She did it! How was it?
I only graded. Good?
Nice, good job. You want to try that one? Not today?
Yeah, that one, I'm going really fast with that one.
Okay, I'll get a few more shots of Lil doing this one, and then I'll get a shot of you doing that one over there, okay? Nice. Good job, Lillian. looks like from this angle. Yo! Woo! Jeez. Slipping all the way to the bottom of that. Dude, I don't know about you, but this makes me want to ride.
Yeah, same.
Yeah? Like back when they were doing that rough, brutal section, not so much. But out here, over here, this makes me want to ride. I can't even explain how tall it is, but I mean, when you look at Darius over here, look at this vlogger right here. Look how small they look compared to the face of this jump. And it's a triple too, just to point that out. He's just doubling it. This thing is massive. Making it look easy.
Yep.
Good job, man.
I think I'm gonna be done.
It looks super fun.
It is.
What is he doing? Is Mason gonna try it?
No.
Okay, good.
Is Lillian gonna try it?
She said no.
Okay, good.
I mean, her technique is really good.
Oh yeah.
Don't get me wrong. She's got great position. I think she could pull it off, but
I'm gonna do one more coming around. All right, just one more, and then.
one more.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't ever say that. A few more. All right.
Two more.
Don't ever say last one.
Can you do the amazing
You where?
on that one though?
Yeah, do you want to do this one?
No, not today.
I think you can do it. I think you're just scared of how much airtime you get.
I know I could do it, but I don't want to.
We'll do it next time. One new, hold on. Ooh. Yeah, one new jump a day is fine. That's good. Okay, good job, Lil. Okay. My kids seem to like the supercrossy section of the track better. I don't know if they're cut out for motocross. It gets really rough. They don't groom it at all. It's meant to be gnarly to test you. That's what this track is like. And the kids definitely struggled with it, how rough, sandy, gnarly it was. They did pretty good on the jumps though. How easy was that, Luke? You think Lillian can do it?
I know I can.
I think she can.
I'm good enough to do it. It's just a mental
to do
thing.
it.
Next time?
I'll think about it.
Maybe.
Just trying to take it easy.
It's a huge lip, huh?
Dad,
Yeah, that lip is massive.
The first time I did it,
Uh-huh.
I did it in third, and I was like almost kissing my fender. I was like this, so stretched out,
Right.
because I was gonna face it so bad.
Going up jumps really fast and not getting any air at all. I can just keep the front end down.
You're good at going fast and not getting air?
Yeah.
Sweet. If only there was like a competition for that, then you would excel. If X Games ever does a low jump competition, gold medal right here.
Gold.
Yep.
Dad, you see me over there when we were doing the rollers? I was trying to come to line up for the outside of the turn. And by going like this, and I thought I was going to crash, and then I flew off the track. And almost ran into the thing those people were in that drives around, whatever it's called.
No, I didn't see that. Mason, what are you doing, man? You're trying to get the bottle to give birth to the ice.
It's a baby bottle.
Genius.